Hi guys, I'm Hitesh and I'm here today with this product which is Profit Mania. I will tell you what the problems what are those problems which this product is going to solve. So Profit Mania will show exact strategy that we use reach up to top 10 vendors and just leaderboards in affiliate marketing. This product is made by Nedu Karibo and he's an experienced person in the industry, and this is first informational product of him. Okay, so he just shared his experience, okay, in this product. So just because of those experience, what you can actually get, okay, you will go in proper direction, in perfect direction. Okay, otherwise without information, without knowledge, not even information and knowledge, with perfect and right information and knowledge, you can reach a perfect destination and you can go in perfect direction. Okay, otherwise you will reach nowhere. Okay, so just because of this problem, just because of this product will help you, and this product will help you to reach on this in top 10 of top vendors and leaderboards. So leaderboards means you are good affiliate marketer, and vendors means you if actually you can make your own product just like that. Okay, so you can make this much and all these things. Oh, I'm here with this member access area. We will discuss each and everything, and these are my some bonuses. Okay, this time this all are supreme bonuses. Now we will discuss each and every features, okay, like every time. And now just because of these features, discussion on these features, using these features, you will able to know this product is going to fit for you or not. So this is welcome message. Okay, this is video of 1 minute. Okay, this is for YouTube channel, Facebook mastermind group. You can go ahead and you can just subscribe and you can join this group, and you can attend some live calls or all that. This is in welcome area. Now this is a record from champions, case studies from real users. So just see some, okay, too much videos, approx 4 videos. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and just this is 4. Okay, and you will get, actually this all are experienced person in online industry, so that you will follow the perfect direction, okay, to get your success and to get your target and goals and something like that. Okay, 2 minute video this is, and this is a 1 minute video. Okay, each and everything, I don't know what is this case studies, 2 minute video, and I don't know what these people and persons are telling you in this videos. This is 1 minute video. So this is this, where is this, records from champions. So actually they are sharing something, okay, some profits and something like that, results and all that from this product maybe. Okay, or it may be from this person which made this product. Okay, now this is mindset required to succeed and all. This is simple thing. Okay, so this is 15-minute video. Okay, now this is the main thing, guys. Okay, generally what people do, they select any product, they even don't know what is inside the product. Okay, randomly they select product, randomly they got some approval, and they start something promotion and something like that. Okay, so you don't need to do that. Okay, you have to select perfect and good products, so that your brand value, your personal value, your image and something like that will be very sharp and clear and good. Okay, so this is where to find hot products and all. Create free account here. So I will show you this. And this video is around 6 minute video. Okay, so let me show you where this button is redirecting us. So just wait for this. Okay, let it load. Till then we will discuss other features. How to get approval. Okay, so you will know in this. Grab Profit Mania reseller rights here. Okay, good thing. 6 minute video, you will get knowledge how to get approval for high converting product, guys. Okay, so if you are, okay, just because of product is working very good, even marketers are not good, but product is very good, product is running in the market, so you will get some sales. Okay, this is completely marketing strategy, you will learn with time. So this is for Warrior Plus and all. Your profit is our business. I don't know why this button is redirecting here. So I just where I clicked, I think I clicked, okay, where to find hot products to promote. Okay, so let me show you, because this is the important thing. Okay, don't think about time and all, because this option is important. That is why I'm where to find products to promote. Okay, so you will get knowledge inside this. This is a 6 minute video, and you can just create your free account here. So I already have, so I am just going to logo. Okay, this is simple thing, you will know each and everything. Okay, this is for beginners, perfectly good for beginners and all, something like that. And it will be a perfect direction. Okay, perfect guide for you. Okay, now so how to get approval, you will know each and everything inside this. Okay, so he is sharing some method to get approval, because for many product generally people don't get approval. Okay, Grab, Profit Mania, reseller, right? So that see, we will see what is inside this. Complete your this thing and all. Reseller, right? Okay, this is OTO, this is upsell. Okay, so just leave that right now, this is not a main point. Get started super affiliate style mindset, I already told you where to. Okay, I just covered this whole thing, the champions funnel. Now this is again a main important thing, because guys, if you are newbie, if you are beginner, okay, so you need perfect knowledge and information. Okay, always remember this, because I started with random information and knowledge, and just because of that I wasted too much time. Okay, time is greater than millions and billions of dollars. Okay guys, everyone cannot understand this thing, but some people can understand. Time is much important. Okay, so I'm just clicking on this, so let's see what is coming. I'm going to show you why this strategy works logically. Okay, logical strategy, guys. Okay, so you will, if you will able to know this, okay, you have to just apply this all things and implement all these things in your journey, so that you will start getting some results. Okay, how you can get red hot buyers on your list. Red hot buyers are too much important, guys. 8-minute video, definitely you will get some knowledge. Okay, not take don't take only knowledge. Okay, you have to apply and implement. Building the champions opt-in page. So download your champions funnel here. Let me show you what is coming. And this is a video, this is opt-in page, so that you will grab some emails, okay, to do email marketing in future. This is 7-minute video, you will know each and everything. I don't know what will be inside. Okay, let me see what is coming here, because I clicked on one button. On this button I clicked. Okay, this may be something pre-made, something done for you funnel. Okay, so directly you will start running this funnel for your business and something like that. So this is okay, just use this for 14 days trial. Okay, even if you don't have ClickFunnels, if you don't want to invest in ClickFunnels like this type of things, so I made one video which is completely alternative of ClickFunnels. Okay, complete alternative of ClickFunnels. You don't need to pay monthly, and all things are available, all features are available inside that product, which generally competitor of this ClickFunnels. Okay, so I'm just closing this one. Grab of FA. Let me show you guys what is this. Okay, so something like that. Champions opt-in page. Okay, so this is, and now this is thank you page. This is too much simple, guys, but if you are beginner, you need to learn this. Okay, this is completely for beginner, not for advanced and intermediate, because some intermediate and advanced persons already know this type of the things. So 10-minute video, guys, definitely you will get good value. Grab ClickFunnels OFA here, same thing here also. So let me OFA, one funnel away. Okay, OFA means one funnel away. Okay, guys. So this is OFA. Okay, now where I am, champion thank you page. So thank you page after checkout. Okay, your visitor, your audience, your customer will be able to see thank you page. Okay, so this is also important. Integrate your autoresponsor with ClickFunnels, something like Klaviyo and get response, something like that. So 4-minute video, 4 to 5 minute video, and free 30-day trial with get response. Guys, if you think I am not able to get results in 30 days, guys, simply apply your mind. Okay, always use 30-day trial with different email IDs one by one. You after all 30 days, even after 30 days, 30 days, 30 days, something like that. Okay, so if you are using 5 email IDs, how many days you are getting? You are going to get 150 days, guys. Okay, and in 150 days, if you are putting good hard work, okay, if you are working so hard on in your work and in your online business and whatever, in 150 days you will start getting some results, guys. Okay, and even after getting some results, okay, you will be able to buy get response. This is the simple method which I also used before. Okay, so this is always available. This time also available for 30 days free trial. Use different email IDs, okay, and do email marketing. Okay, so you will get all knowledge connecting your champions autoresponder. Okay, so building the champions opt-in page alternative. Okay, this is again a good thing. Let me show you what is inside this. So this is OFA one funnel away challenge, which I already clicked before, but this is not opening right now. And I don't know why. Okay, you can see now this is one funnel away challenge. And what is this actually? How about step by step? Join now. What is this challenge now for one time discount payment of only? Okay, this is paid, guys. So you can also accept this and you can also leave this one, because if you are beginner, okay, so you need perfect knowledge, guys. So here you will get opt-in page alternative. Okay, so 6-minute video, same thing you are getting, same buttons you are getting here. Mm. Alternative and building the champions trying to page, same things, but this method will be little bit different. Okay, so this person is going to show you each
Guys,
and
welcome back
every
to another
possible
video in
methods.
this
Okay, so
training
if you are
series. And
comfortable with any method, so that you can go ahead with that particular method. Okay, this is something like that. Sorry guys. So this is list layered create thank you page. This all bonuses you are going to get. Okay, on my bonus page I will show you each and everything now. Thank you page and all. So this is creating urgency bars. Okay, you will learn something. Okay, how to get sales fastly. This is for that. Okay, 3-minute video. Integrate your autoresponder with WordPress. This is also simple thing, guys. Okay, even if you don't know, you can get some knowledge like for that. Okay, this is 2-minute video. Okay, because it's too much easy. Now I'm just closing this. Now this is email marketing knockout, so that you will get some sequence, follow-up sequence, knockout. This is completely email marketing campaign, because you are going to use get response, which I already told you before. See, you can see here. And I don't know why this is okay, but it will be fixed. Don't worry. Email follow-up sequence, get response, 7-minute video, guys. Actually, this is complete informational product. You will get all knowledge, 4-minute video and all. Email knockout, get response. Actually, in this 9-minute video, guys, in this email marketing knockout feature, you will get complete knowledge about email marketing. Okay, and you will start running your email campaign. Okay, this is for that. Now raw of champions, so champions of demand. So what is inside this? Create your account in Udemy. Okay, this is for solo ads, guys. This is actually, what is this Udemy? Here you have to pay something, but guaranteed you will get result. Guaranteed. Okay, result means what? Some opt-ins means what? Means you will grab some emails. Okay, you will capture some emails. Okay, for example, if for example if you captured 100 emails, so later what you will do for that? What you will do with that 100 emails? Simple, you will start email marketing campaign, okay, by using this thing on those 100 emails. Okay, later actually you will increase some more emails in your list. You will make bigger your list. Okay, and just because of that, because this is actually, I'm not saying you this. This is industry average. Okay, if you have one email, you can create, you can make $1 per month. If you have 100 email, you can make $100 per month. If you have 1,000 email, you can make $1,000 per month. This is industry average. Okay, this is not my average. So you can imagine what is the power of email marketing. Now grab our secret traffic source that we personally use. So let me show you this one. Sweeten the deal with champions resale rights. So let me show you this one more. Till then, this is going to open, and till then we will discuss some more important things here. Free seats to fill. Let me click on this and let me show you what is inside of this. Never underestimate the power of free. Yes, if you are if you are taking perfect knowledge out of this type of the things, okay, you will start getting something. Okay, I'm talking about results. 4-minute video this is. And same thing here, which I already show you. This is, I think this is something update, upsell, sorry. Yes, this is OTO 2. You can see here OTO 2. So this is for what? Okay, no worry, because I clicked on some button and just because of that it's open. This is OTO 1 for $27, something like that. Okay, so you will get some heavy knowledge. Okay, and you will be able to save some time, something like that. Okay, so free seats to fill, and free targeted traffic based, and or okay, you will get knowledge inside this. These are some upgrades and these are some bonus. Okay, done from my side, guys. Okay, this is completely informational product. You will get experienced things inside this, so that you will save your time, you will reduce your time. If you are beginner, if you are originating something, now come and meet my bonuses. This is my first bonus, which is Midas Touch. These are my bonuses. This is product. Okay, this is information about this product. Now this is my first bonus. Okay, Midas Touch. Go outside and search about this, what you are going to get. Now this is bed as bonuses, which you will get directly inside your dashboard. You can again go outside and you can search about it. Okay, I'm not going much deeper with every bonus from $0 to $100 in 24 hours. Okay, guys, apply and actually implement all these things inside this bonus, which already shared by the person. Okay, so you will be able to get something out of it. Okay, now this is a 4-week coaching, which is list to lariat. This is again a powerful thing, guys. Okay, this all bonuses are made by a successful person. Okay, they already making good and much better than you. Okay, so this is ultimate traffic. Actually, then you means I'm talking about beginners and okay, newbies. So this is ultimate traffic mantra, because you will need it in your journey. Just because of that, click on any button, okay, and go ahead with this product, which is Profit Mania. Even if you pick up the front end, you will get all these things as a bonus for free. Okay, so that you can increase your journey by 10x, by 100x. Okay, you will actually, you can add this speed in your growth. Okay, so I'm done from my side. This is completely informational product. Okay, you have to just apply, you have to just learn, you have to just grab all these things, and you have to apply and implement the things. So I'm just going to look out this one, guys, and we will meet in the next video with another Dazzler product. Till then, bye.